step is get them balanced, and that's where this comes in handy. In the past, I've tried to take them to a shop to get them balanced, but most shops aren't equipped to handle this type of wheel. They're equipped for the modern wheels, and the mounting point, the point where it contacts the axle to level things out is different. So they would need a special piece of equipment on their balancer. So what we're going to do is called a static balance using this tool. It's kind of an old-fashioned way to do it, but this is an old-fashioned kind of car. The concept's pretty simple. This is sitting on a pin there, and you put the wheel on here. It pushes the springs down so it rests on this cone, and then if it's heavy on one side, it'll tilt to the side or whatever it needs to do. Then there's a bubble level on the top that tells you which way you need to go to add the weight.
So garage floors suck. They're not very level at all. Luckily, if you find a place that's close, you can make your final adjustments with these screws on top. These 3 screws here. And then you want to get the bubble right there in the middle. Focus. Let's throw a tire on there and see how it goes. Put the tire on, and you want to make sure that it goes down all the way so it centers on that cone. This one is not bad at all. I bought this set of weights off eBay. Let's see if we need to do anything. It looks like we need to add a little bit of weight on this side. On this side. So it doesn't need much because the bubble's very, very close. And I do 2 because I'm going to put one on the outside and one on the inside. And this one was super, super close. Putting these weights on is simple enough. You can do it just with a hammer. They tap into place. Taking them off's a little more difficult. That's why I have this. It's a special pair of pliers that grabs the weight and pulls it off easier. It also has a little hammer so you can do everything in one go. We're going to take it off of here before we do that. It goes right there. And we're going to flip it over, put the other weight exactly on the opposite side. Looks pretty good.